Whip the egg whites until stiff and set them aside on a plate. Soak the bread slices in warm milk, just enough to soften them. Let the excess milk drain, then coat the slices with the egg whites. Fry them in hot oil on both sides until golden. Transfer to a plate lined with paper towels. Then move them to a serving dish. For the egg yolk custard, place the water, sugar, and lemon peel in a small pot. Bring to a boil and cook for 3 minutes. Turn off the heat, remove the lemon peel and let it cool slightly. Add the egg yolks to the syrup and mix very well. Return to low heat, stirring constantly until it just begins to boil. Turn off the heat immediately. Serve the French toast drizzled with the egg yolk custard and sprinkled with cinnamon. You'll need 8 slices of day-old bread, about 1 centimeter, 0.4 inches, thick, 6 egg whites, warm milk as needed, 180 milliliters or 3/4 of a cup of water, 250 grams or 8.8 ounces of sugar, 1 strip of lemon peel, 6 beaten egg yolks, ground cinnamon to taste, oil for frying. Portuguese Christmas French Toast with egg yolk custard. French toast is a traditional Christmas dessert. Topped with egg yolk custard, it becomes even more delicious. If you like, you can add a splash of port wine to the milk for extra flavor.